Well, this is our final beach day on our adventure that we've been on for almost 10 months now. We're on the east coast of Italy, near a small town called Loreto. I'm not even sure. Porta something this town's called, but it's near Loreto, Italy. It'll be our final beach day, and we head home to Toronto in 3 days. We're heading back to Rome tomorrow. Trish and Bennett are swimming in the Mediterranean here. They've had a great day. It's been an unbelievable trip. Anyways, this is it. The final beach day. 3 days left. Enjoying the Mediterranean Sea. It's been a wonderful trip. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of people around here on this beach. But anyways, signing out from Italy. And it's all good.